కనిపిస్తుందా?
Yes, sir.
Collinearity. Collinearity means collinear word we use for only points.
Okay.
Okay. Collinear points. Collinear points means minimum three or more points lying on the
Okay.
same line. Then they are called collinear points.
Collinear points.
Okay.
Yeah.
3 or
Okay,
more
sir.
points lying on the same line, then they are called collinear points. ఇందాక నీకు వచ్చిన సొల్యూషన్ అదే
Yes, sir.
చెప్పావు, లైస్ ఆన్ ద సేమ్ లైన్ అని. సో 3
Yes,
or
sir.
more points lying on the same line, they are called collinear points. For collinear points, what are the condition? If A, B, C are lying on the same line, then they are called collinear points.
Points.
Okay. So for collinear points, what are the conditions? First condition already మనకు తెలిసివి. If ABC are collinear, then this is A, this is B, this is C. Let us A, B, C ఇవి అనుకుందాం.
Okay.
ఓకేనా?
Okay.
AB plus BC చేస్తే మనకి AC డిస్టెన్స్ వస్తుంది. Understand?
Yes, sir.
AB plus BC is AC.
Easy.
If suppose this is B, this is A, this is C, then BA plus AC is nothing but BC.
BC. Yes, sir.
We can change one more type also. 3 ways we can write.
Yeah.
In this way, we can say sum of any two distances is equal to third one.
Okay.
Sum of any two distances
Two
is equal to
distances
third
equal
one.
to third one. Yeah.
So, first condition AB plus BC is equal to AC, or BC plus AC is equal to AB, or AB plus AC is equal to BC. ఈ మూడిట్లో ఏదో ఒకటి ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది కొలీనియారిటీకి. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ఫస్ట్ వన్. అండ్ సెకండ్ వన్, సి సిన్స్ 3 points లయింగ్ ఆన్ ద సేమ్ లైన్, ఒకే లైన్ మీద 3 points ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఈ 3 points తో ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫామ్ అవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
అవ్వదు. ట్రయాంగిలే లేనప్పుడు దాని ఏరియా ఉంటుందా? ఉండదు. కాబట్టి కండిషన్ ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు అంటే, వీ కెన్ రైట్ దట్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏబిసి ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. Then 3 points lying on the same line, they are called collinear points.
Okay.
ఏరియా 0 అయిందంటే అవి ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫామ్ చేయట్లేదు అని అర్థం. ఫామ్ చేయట్లేదు అంటే ఒకే లైన్ మీద ఉన్నప్పుడే ఫామ్ చేయాలి. ఒకే లైన్ మీద ఉన్నాయి అంటే అది కొలీనియర్ పాయింట్స్. ఓకేనా? సో 3 పాయింట్స్ ఇచ్చి కొలీనియర్ కాదో చెక్ చేయాలంటే మనకి ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫార్ములా ఉంది కదా, 4-5 ఫార్ములాస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, అందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి 0 ఆన్సర్ రావాలి. వస్తే క్లియర్లీ కొలీనియర్. దట్ ఈస్ సెకండ్. థర్డ్ వన్, see, this is only one line, right? On one line, 3 points we have. So slope of AB is equal to slope of BC or AC. Why? Because the slope of line is unique. If you use any 2 points, we know how to find the slope of 2 points. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 formula. So if you find slope by using AB or BC or AC, you will get the same slope. Why? Because that slope is nothing but the slope of this line having unique slope. Understand?
Yes, sir.
On the line, if you take any 2 points, you will get the same slope. That is unique slope for every line. Okay, so that is slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. So this is also one more condition, and we can write fourth condition also. We have, by using any 2 points we can find the line equation.
Okay.
By using any 2 points, A, B, C, AB, BC, AC. Find AB line, and after getting the line equation, this C should satisfy that line. Why? Because C also lying on the line. Find AB line and C should satisfy. Satisfy the line equation. C should satisfy this line equation. If we substitute C in that line equation in place of xy, you will get LHS equal to RHS or 0
RHS.
equal to 0.
Okay.
That is collinearity conditions. Okay.
Okay.
Collinearity means 3 or more lines lying on the same line. Then they are called collinear points. First condition, sum of any two distances is third distance. And second point, area of triangle ABC is 0. And third point, slope of AB equal to slope of BC. And fourth point, find AB or BC or AC line and substitute remaining point. That point should satisfy that line equation. Understand? So this is
Yes, sir.
collinearity conditions. Okay.
Okay.
Now just gonna
Yes, sir.
right now we will see one example. If the points a minus 2 comma 0, b minus 1 comma 1 by root 3, c cos theta comma sin theta, 3 points are collinear, then the value of theta which is belongs to 0 comma 2 pi. 0 comma 2 pi. What is the value of theta if 3 points are collinear points?
Okay.
The 3 points are collinear points, then what is the value of theta? That should be belongs to 0 comma 2 pi.
Comma 2 pi.
Okay.
Okay.
So we know if ABC are collinear, then the area is 0. Area is 0 na? That this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. Since A comma B comma C are collinear, okay,
Okay.
collinear points, area is equal to 0. That implies we can write half mod, that half also taking that side you will get 0.
Yes, sir.
But I am writing half
Okay.
mod x1 y2 minus y3 x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Okay.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you seeing that last 0
Yeah.
is equal to 0? I am substituting and the 2 taking this side you will get 0. The 2 into 0 0 mod of x1 minus 2 into y2 1 by root 3, okay,
Yeah.
minus y3 sin theta, okay,
Yes, sir.
plus x2
Plus x2 is minus 1.
minus 1 y3
Sin
sin
theta
theta minus y1
minus 0.
0 plus x3 cos theta
X.
into y1
Yeah.
0 minus y2 1 by root 3, okay,
1 by root 3.
is equal to 0.
Yeah.
Now see, minus 2 into 1 by root 3 minus 2 by root 3, minus into minus plus 2 sin theta minus 1 sin theta. This is equal to 0. Cos theta into 0 0 plus into minus minus cos theta by root 3 is equal to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now see here, 2 sin theta minus sin theta sin theta.
Sin theta.
Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Minus cos theta by root 3.
By root 3.
Now this minus 2 by root 3 is
2.
there. Taking that side you will get plus 2 by root 3.
Yeah.
Now what we have to do? Minus 2 by root 3. Minus 2, correct. Now here root 3 is there na?
Yes,
We
sir.
will do LCM.
Okay. 3 root 3.
Root 3,
no. Root 3 sin
sin
theta.
theta minus cos theta
Minus cos theta.
is equal to 2. Denominator root 3 will get cancelled. Okay. Now 2 taking this side you will get
Yeah.
root 3 by 2 sin theta minus 1 by 2 cos theta is equal to 2. Sorry, is equal to 1. Taking 2 this side already. Okay.
Okay.
Now I am writing this root 3 by 2 as cos 60, 1 by 2 as, sorry, this is as cos 30, this is as sin 30. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2, sin 30 value 1 by 2. I'm writing this
1 by
here
2. Okay.
cos 30 sin theta minus sin 30 cos theta is equal to 1. Sin A cos
Yeah.
B minus cos A sin B, formula sin of A minus B. Sin of A minus B, theta minus
Minus B.
30. Theta minus 30 is
30.
equal to, RHS is 1, na? We can
Yes, sir.
write sin 90. We can write sin 90. See, sin theta
Yeah.
is equal to sin alpha, then theta is equal to alpha. Theta minus 30 is equal to 90. Then taking 30 that side, theta is equal to 90 plus 30 is what? Understand?
Science and cancel cut, sir.
No. Sin theta is equal to sin alpha, formula that is. Cancel.
Okay.
Okay. Theta
Okay.
is equal to alpha. Theta is equal to alpha. Theta minus 30 is equal to 90. Taking 30 that side, 90 plus 30, 120, which is belongs
120.
to 0 to 2 pi.
Yeah.
2 pi into 360. So
Yep.
0 to 2 pi lone untadi 120. Kabatti answer is theta value is what? 120, and this is from
120.
trigonometric equations. This is principal solution. Sin theta
Okay.
is equal
Okay.
to sin alpha,
Yeah.
then theta
Yeah.
is equal to alpha. Yesterday we completed one
Yeah.
problem.
Yeah.
Alan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. Copy చేసుకో. Collinearity. దీని మీద
ఇప్పుడు
ప్రాబ్లమ్స్
మనం
ఇచ్చేసి
అవి
ఆపేస్తా.
యా ఇప్పుడు ఏది కొలినియర్ అని ప్రూవ్ అయిపోయింది సార్ ఇది.
They given this is collinear. That's why we taken area equals 0.
Okay.
If we are to prove this is collinear, we have to make this area equal 0.
Okay. Okay.
Read
Yeah.
question. If ABC are collinear points, then find the value of theta, which is belongs to 0,
Okay.
2 pi.
Okay. Find the value of
Given 3
theta.
points are given 3 points are collinear points.
Okay.
Then we can take directly area equal to 0.
Yeah.
If we have to prove, we have to take area and we have to make, we have to prove that is 0. Understand?
Okay. Yeah.
Right.
Understand.
Yeah. I will give you some problems. Huh?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay.
You can erase it, sir.
Yeah. I will write see questions.
Yeah. Okay.
On collinearity condition. And this is also important. You will get again in straight lines about this collinearity. For points we
Okay.
use collinear word, and for lines we use concurrent. That
Yeah.
right question, save the points. If the points A k comma 2k, B 3k comma 3k, and C 3 comma 1 are collinear, then k equal to, are collinear, then k equal to, first option 1 by 3, second option minus 1 by 3, third option 3, fourth option minus 3. Second question, if 1 comma a, 3 comma 9a, 4 comma b, 6 comma 18 are collinear, are collinear, are collinear, then
Okay.
a comma b by a is equal to, first option 6 comma 13, second option 6 by 7 comma 13, third option 6/7 comma 13/7. Fourth option 21 comma 13. And one more, an equilateral triangle has each side equal to a if x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 are the vertices of the triangle, then mod of x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1 is equal to option number A 3a power 4, option number B 3a power 4 by 4, option number C 4a power 4, option number D a power 4. Okay,
Yeah, okay, sir.
practice this. Already
Okay.
light ga vastundi. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay,
Yeah,
na?
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Right. Can I
Yeah.
stop this?